Hello mga ka-buy and sell. Welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2014 model Toyota FJ Cruiser. Automatic transmissions, gasoline engine, 4x4, loaded worth 400,000 upgrades, 40,000 kilometers plus mileage. Pakicheck po ang description for more details. Pwede rin pong finance ang boss. '13 model Mitsubishi Pajero BK, automatic transmission, diesel engine, 4x4, first owned, 71,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, ready for long drive. Magbasa po sa description para sa ibang detalye. 2019 Toyota Innova E. 2.8 liters diesel engine, automatic transmission, super loaded, 51,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, fresh inside and outside, original black paint. Bilhin mo na boss, lakas makagwapo. 2000 model Honda Civic, SIR body, manual transmission, stock gasoline engine, a Rinch Paddock chassis 3520, a Rinch P6DD1 block. Pakicheck na lang ang detalye sa aming website boss. 2020 model Ford EcoSport Titanium 1, gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 26,000 plus mileage, Thursday coding, well-maintained. 2017 model Mitsubishi Mirage, G4 GLS, 1.2 liters gasoline engine, manual transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, fresh inside and outside, ready for a long drive. 2019 model Mitsubishi Expander GLX, 1.5 liters gasoline engine, manual transmission, 37 kilometers mileage, fresh inside and outside, well maintained, cash and financing accepted. 2016 model Toyota Fortuner G, diesel engine, automatic transmission, 52,000 kilometers mileage, LTO verified, ready for long drive, diesel and go, cash and financing accepted, fast approval. Check sa description boss. 2018 Toyota GL Grandia, 3.0 liters diesel engine, automatic transmission, 53,000 kilometers mileage, well maintained, good condition engine, fresh inside and outside. 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage, GLX hatchback gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 57,000 kilometers mileage, complete papers, well maintained, good condition engine, fresh inside and outside, cash and financing accepted. 2021 Toyota Wigo G, 1.0 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 28,000 kilometers mileage, gas and go na lang boss. 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage, G4 GLX, Mavic gasoline engine, fuel efficient, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, cash and financing accepted. 2013 Toyota Vios G, 1.5 VVTi gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 83,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, good condition engine, fresh inside and outside, pwedeng cash o financing boss. Twenty 16 model Mitsubishi Montero GLS Premium Sports 4x2 variant, 2.4 liters BHD diesel engine, 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter, 97,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, original paint white color, kunin mo na boss. Twenty 18 Toyota Hilux G, 2.4 liters diesel engine, 4x2 variant, 6-speed manual transmission, 87,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained guaranteed, first owner, Freedom White original paint color. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.